Alright, so it's Saturday afternoon. Spent a lot of time in the garage today. Pressure washed the belly pan and degreased it and got it super clean, so when we do the reassembly, shouldn't get dirty at all. It actually cleaned up very well considering what it looked like. So I did that this morning, and then for the rest of the morning we spent doing a full tear down of the engine. Really no surprises. This is the PTO side cylinder. Runs mint based on what the seller told us when we bought it. Apparently my definition of mint and his definition of mint are two different things. So that that piston is complete garbage. This cylinder is also garbage. Broke through the plating and everything else, so that was not going to be reused. The mag cylinder and piston is looking pretty good. The case looks pretty good, but unfortunately every bearing on this crank is no bueno. So again, really not that big of a surprise. We knew we were probably gonna run into this going into it, but that's fine. So we will be replacing it with a used crank and go from there. The rest of the engine is bagged and tagged and ready to be put back together. We're gonna put together a shopping list and go from there. So I will be posting a disassembly video that's gonna be separate from this, but this is just an update on the XCSP. Hope everybody is having a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later. See ya.